glacier. They look really cool. And yeah, I'm excited. We're in southwest Iceland. There's the view. Looks quite surreal. Looks basically like a postcard right now. This is wild. Coolest thing I have ever seen. Is this for real?
Come down here.
I just don't want to smash my camera.
Just go straight with the feet.
Oh, straight with the feet.
Yeah. Put them into the ice.
Ah.
Sit backwards. Put them in. No,
don't
sit.
sit.
Just like lean.
Oh.
Yeah. Straight down. Like this. Put it. Yeah. It's okay. They will hold you.
Okay.
If you trust them, they will hold.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is honestly like the coolest thing I've ever done.
I knew you'd love it.
Hey.
Hey.
Look at that. Okay.
Just put it,
Okay.
you can go like a
No,
little
go.
Okay. So I just go down like this.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm doing push-ups.